What in here for, kinfolk? This shit neighborhood player partner Taste of Goldie, aka Cooking with Kane, Goldie Legacy, uh, whatever you know me as. And we are back with another review, and today I'm reviewing an exotic fruit. But it's also something that they use to make something that we eat on the daily. It's one of our favorite sweet treats, desserts, something to grab on the go. And my people, we always refer ourselves to them. And it's chocolate. I have ordered the cacao. It's called cacao. It is a fruit that is used to make chocolate, and it's also used to make cocoa butter. So, got this from Miami Fruit. This is what it looks like. So we're gonna cut it open. This is what the inside looks like. Kind of has a, can't put the taste on the smell, but very like gooey. This is what it looks like. Hold on. Hold on. I don't think you put through that. Okay. So the outside flesh is like a sweet sour, but when you bite into the seed is essentially what they use to make the chocolate. They roast them. I'm gonna show y'all what it look like. So this is what chocolate is made out of. This part right here. If y'all can see, but yeah. So it's very like slimy and gooey in the inside, but like I said, the flesh on the outside is very like sweet sour, but the inside itself, that's what chocolate is made of. They essentially roast them, which I'm actually going to do that. Roast them, then blend it down. We're gonna make some chocolate bars. Y'all stay tuned for that. But yeah, man, get you some cacao. Very good. This ain't cheap either. For a box or two, it's like $100. But shout out to Miami Fruit. Just stay tuned. Like I said, I'm gonna make some chocolate out of this. So, but this is something, man. This is some cacao, man. Y'all be easy. Peace.